Dubai's most ambitious teens are here.
The communication that these students are having is phenomenal.
All of the students, they've worked really hard. All of them did a great job.
I feel amazing. It went really well. I presented in front of a bunch of people. I'm really excited.
Are you excited for today?
Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Arora and I'm the Program Director for TKS Dubai. My role is to run the program that we have here that goes from 10 months, from September until June every year. I get to work closely with the students one-on-one, really helping them identify what kind of goals they have for themselves, how they're going to aspire to achieve those goals, and ultimately challenge them to go as far as they possibly can.
Hey, I'm Naveed. I'm the founder of TKS, and after 10 years of going to showcases, it's just incredible to see what students are capable of every single year. I think a lot of problems that weren't solvable even last year are now solvable even by 16 and 17-year-olds that we're seeing today, which is incredible.
Something that stuck with me at TKS is that the way we're challenged to question ourselves, the way we need to think, why isn't this there? Why is this solution not happening right now? And it helped me further develop my framework against financial corruption at TKS with the help of my directors.
Hi, I'm Selina Hamid, 15 years old. I'm working on 3D, 4D printing on Mars and the Moon, and I'm adding as well algae bioreactors so the people in the habitat can have a breathable oxygen.
My focus is on oncology, advancements in RNA sequencing, and how to transform meaningless noise to useful data. TKS is a place for open-minded people, diverse perspectives, and that I could truly do whatever felt right to me.
I'm working on trying to fix the role of food security and trying to implement faith, sustainability, and innovation and how that can solve food security in the UAE and beyond. Before TKS, I thought that I wasn't able to present, I wouldn't be able to express everything that I had in me. But after joining TKS and talking to all of these people and meeting them, I realized that I can be myself and I can reach my full potential and do whatever I set my heart to.
I'm so nervous. It's going to be an exciting opportunity for me presenting to a room of 600 people full of experts and parents.
Originally, I thought I was signing up to a regular program. It would teach you about emerging technologies. I thought that was going to be the whole gist of it. But what actually surprised me was that that's only half the picture. For the first few weeks, you'll be learning about technologies in space sectors, in biomedical, in AI. But then the next half of the program, you're learning about how doing challenges with other multi-billion-dollar companies. You are trying to get in touch with professionals.
We can reach $1 per terabyte in just the next 4 years. Our methods have been certified by people with PhDs and experts at HP and AWS.
What I would say to other parents in Dubai is that this is a good forum and a good 10 months, I would say, program to help your students really open their mind to other problems.
It's definitely a great opportunity for kids to prepare for the future.
The students are incredibly talented, and their thought process in terms of how they were able to put together solutions for the challenges that they were given is impeccable.
Today, my favorite presentation was the app about IBS, the preventive versus reactive.
I think TKS is on the right path, giving the right kind of guidance to their students to develop the skills which are required at the right time. See, these students today is the future workforce, right? So what I think TKS is doing right is developing them, shaping them in a very relevant manner so that they can take on the roles or take on the entrepreneurship for the coming years.
We're thinking about problems that haven't even happened yet and thinking about how to use technologies that haven't even been discovered yet, because that is their future.
So they are feeling all those emotions, they're feeling terrified, but knowing that that's not going to stop them. So seeing them get on that stage, feel those feelings and show themselves that they can still conquer the world.
All the kids are talking about really fascinating kind of cutting edge material and information. They've learned a lot. They've taken on some really innovative challenges.